With your backpack on, are you gonna use it to do some squats?
Not on my knees.
Go on.
Oh, good.
There. So we've arrived in Dalat. We had a long nap in the hostel foyer. And we're
With
now
4 other people.
4 other people just
who all
sitting on the
arrived
floor.
at 5 a.m. just for their sleep in the lobby.
Best sleep since I've been here, actually.
It was a good sleep.
And now we just had some coffee and we got free tea. Everyone here is so friendly, and we've planned what we're going to do. So we're going to hire a bike.
These roads are more what I imagined our travels to be like. Little higgledy-piggledy. Why can't I say higgledy-piggledy?
It's not an easy word to say.
Higgledy roads.
It looks quite European to me though.
Oh, that's a comfort zone.
Classic Abby and Virginia timing. We've been a wee bit absent from recording anything because we've been lost. Biking lost in the rain.
So we're somewhere up here. We should have been down here.
And we completely went the wrong way. So now we're just at a lady trying to give us a chair to sit on. Yeah, we've still not had any food today. But we're being safe and sensible, and we're wearing trousers and really big helmets.
Why is it still raining now?
I know. Beautiful.
In Dalat, there's loads of kind of adventure tours to do, and the main one is canyoning. At first I didn't want to do it. I was a bit scared because I've never really done anything too adventurous before. I didn't want to stand on a cliff face that high up, and the rushing water as well, like jumping into the water. The only kind of activity I'd done before was when I was 11 on an assault course, and I had to climb up 3 meters and I fell off and broke my arm. So I wasn't really enthused about doing it, and it was $82. Kind of got talking to the hostel owner and some other people at the hostel who really recommended it, so we just went for it. The canyoning itself wasn't too scary, even though I was kind of afraid of heights and didn't really want to go in the water at first. But the tour guides are really good, and you're in like a big group of people doing it, and you see people all around you doing it. When you first get there, the tour guides have you practice how to abseil from scratch, so you don't need any previous experience. They kind of teach you it all in a day, and then you slowly progress from the small waterfalls to the bigger ones. You've got to do like 8 different things. You abseil down 4 different waterfalls. Got to the bigger waterfall, it wasn't that scary in comparison to the others, because you'd kind of practiced by that point. And then you get to the cliff jump, which I really thought I wouldn't do, but I did end up doing it really badly. And then Abby did not want to follow my example. They don't force you to do any of the activities. If you want to sit one out, you can. At Muka's hostel, because the canyoning is so popular, they will clean your trainers for you afterwards because they get pretty dirty. dry them, really good lunch at the end, so it was worth it all in all.
Three, two, one, go!
Going up to the garden area. How do you order another drink?
Sorry?
How do you order another drink? This is insane. This is like the coolest place. What the fuck? So we're at the Alpine Coaster. I think I got a bit sunburned yesterday while we were canyoning, which is actually in the same place as where we're at. So we've seen the coaster yesterday. Virginia's just stood with the Grab driver. I'm not really sure what's going on. What happened?
He got our tickets for us.
Oh.
Nice man. To translate.
Okay.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you. £7.50.
Yeah.
I think like it was worth £7.50 as in it's like well built, but I didn't find it scary or fun.
I thought it was scary.
That's because you weren't in you weren't
That's
in
because you
control.
were driving.
Yeah.
So it was scary.
Why have they just assumed that dinosaurs has balls like that? Strange. So I controlled the roller coaster on the way down and I wasn't filming, but Virginia said, that's okay, I'll just control it on the way back. And I was like, how's it going to go up? She said, it's a round trip.
Yeah.
But we came down.
Came down, yeah. So you're gonna get back up?
Yeah, so how can you control it?
I'm sure there's a bit that I can
I mean,
pedal for.
I might be wrong. Yeah. I might be completely wrong.
We don't know anything yet.
I heard that there's two ways to do it, that you can do like a fun one or you can do a tourist one. The tourist one is like just to get you down to the waterfall, which is where we're at now. So I think that's just on a pulley when you don't control it, because I think that's what we use to go up.
Okay.
That makes it round.
It would make sense, but I can't see it. Can't see it from here.
Got all excited, got out my little drone,
Yeah.
left the SD card
Well,
in Virginia's bag.
all this content that could have been filmed. Feel late.
Should we just play music?
Would have been
montage
good,
and
yeah.
just close our eyes and imagine. It's no Lake Bled or Lake Geneva or like.
But it is a lake. I think so. Went into a shop and the man was taking pity on me for being so sweaty. Free fan.
He started fanning you first. Like,
He
over
was
there.
like, well, people streeters. I'm now advertising washing up liquid everywhere I go.
They're inflated from the altitude. These snacks are like anti-compression. Like all of that effort we've put into putting things into compression. And we've got to carry literal bags of air. Hopefully when we go down.
Turn left.
Hopefully when we go down they'll shrink.